Check it out. 3 poppies, $1 each. 3 salvias, $1 each. Sea Thrift, I think this is. I can't remember the other things that I got, but what the heck is an Onothera? I don't know, but $1 each. Spent 11 bucks plus tax and saved. Oh, it doesn't say on here how much I saved, but she told me it was like $56 or something like that. So awesome. 11 bucks. Okay, so I just watered them. I got 3 poppies, champagne bubbles poppy mix. There are buds, or there is a bud down there. So I got 3 of those. And then I got 3 of these Salute pink salvias. There's new growth there, so I'm just gonna cut all this stuff off. All the big stems. Got 1 ballerina lilac armeria. The Sea Thrift, and 3 of these primrose. There's a bud. Looks okay. They just need some time. Well, this is what all the $1 plants look like after being watered. I think they're looking a little more perky. This is the one I was confused about. Primrose Onothera. Oenothera? I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's very pretty, and it was $1. So I got 3. Then Salute pink salvia. There. The 1 tiny bud, maybe 2. But at least it's like robust. And then another $1. This bud is browned. I think this was worth it. So cute. There's the Sea Thrift. Okay, so I'm sitting in the shade under the arbs with all the plants that I got for $1 each. They're not looking too great, but there's definitely life in them. So I got like 3 or 5 varieties, some salvia, primrose, a Sea Thrift, and some poppies. So here they are. That's all of them. I had to bring them over here somehow. I have 3 of these twilight primroses, really light pink flowers. $1. So all of these plants were $1 each. Oh, look at the bunny. The baby bunny. Yes, come closer. Oh, there's another one. You are welcome to all the grass in the driveway. Okay, let's see if I can pronounce this. Onothera berlandieri. Okay. So yeah, you can see there's new growth all along the stems, so I could just cut everything off, all of this, and it would be fine. There's just a ton of growth. But I'm just going to cut off the dead stuff. Like this one has some dead branches. But everything that's alive is robust and fine. Definitely worth $1. So this ugly stem does have some nice leaves at the tip, but it also has growth down here. So I'm thinking I might cut it maybe above this one, right there. Already much better, and I see buds, flower buds. Here's the second one. Second one. Oh yeah, the flowers. There. And the third and last. think this looks good. I'm just going to cut off these spent flowers. I'm just cutting them there because right there looks like there's another bud coming, so I don't want to disturb it. That may or may not be another bud too. So there's the 3 primrose. And now for the rest of them. So this is Ballerina Lilac Armeria. Armeria Pseudarmeria Sea Thrift. It's the same thing I was trimming at where I volunteer. Okay. Wow. I believe this is a new bud. It looks kind of dry, so I don't know if it's going to make it, but this is clearly a spent one. So they come off very easily. Well, that was easy. It's done. Let's do the poppies next. Papa Ver Nudicaule. Champagne bubbles, it's a mix. I looked it up online and I think there's like white or like ivory, pink, red, and orange. I'm hoping for white and pink. Clearly needs water, but that's all I'm going to do, I think, for that one. Actually, I'll cut off some of the ugly leaves, at least the tips of the leaves. You can see a new leaf right here. And then inside you can see a bunch of new buds. I think this one's a dead bud though. I don't know. I hate to cut them off. That's good enough. Little tiny new buds on this third one. I'm going to water them a little, see if they perk up a bit by the time I'm done with the others. It did rain last night though. There's the before. Okay, next we have New Dimension Rose Salvia. Salvia Nemorosa. Sounds like a Harry Potter spell. It's not too bad. You can see all the new leaves coming up down there. This is just broken. I'll cut it right there. It's hard to waste a piece this big, but it'll be happier. 3 left. I think this is the same as the last one. Yes. I think it's pretty good. I'm just going to clean things out. I don't see any broken stems, really. These should come off, though. They've already flowered. I'll go all the way down here. Yeah, looks good. Two left. I think this one's pretty obvious what needs to happen to this one. You see the variety Salute Pink Salvia. Yeah, so those are all the spent flowers, and you can see all the new growth down at the bottom. So all the spent flower stems are coming off. And then I'm going to pull out all of the dead leaves. And you can nitpick and cut off the tips of leaves if you want to. I mean, that's good enough. And water. 10. I did it again. It was 5 for 10, so I got 3 white Gara, a bunch of Irish moss, which I was supposed to get way earlier, 3 penstemon, and yeah, there's more Irish moss there, and 2 little white lavender, which I don't know where they are, but 29 bucks including tax is a pretty good deal for that many plants. Even though they're small right now, they're going to grow. Strawberry vanilla hydrangea, 10 bucks. Three Mountain Falls pink twinkle dianthus, 2 bucks each. Two more of the pink ballerina lilac armeria, 2 bucks each. Talk about a beautiful view. Well, most of them were 50 cents. The potentilla was full price. The ajuga was full price, 3 or 4 bucks. I think that's it. And pile of cheap plants grows and grows. These are all annuals, but I did get some carnations, 3 of them, and then 2 more of the sea thrift to go with the one I already had. Okay, fast forward a few months. I never planted them. So I lost some plants, which is kind of a bummer. Mostly annuals, but I still have these. Not looking great, but I think still alive. Yeah. So I just need to re-trim these up. This one has new growth for next year already, so that's cool. Already looks better. That was the salvia. Here's another salvia. You can see the new growth right there. So I'll leave these ones just because the new growth is so small, but I'm going to cut off all the dead ones. I'm not sure what this is. Looks like some kind of mold or bug or something, so I'll cut that off too. One more salvia. Oops. Anyway, you get the picture. For this dianthus, I'm just pulling off some of the dead stuff, but I'm gonna leave most of it. There are still, like, I don't know if that's a bud. No. But it's definitely still alive, holding on for dear life. And the soil is super dry. Here's the body of this. There used to be a hosta here, but I think it had too much sun.